So I went to head into work the other night and got this message. Well, first I got 25, and then I got up on the highway just at the end of our driveway, and it flashed 2. So I turned around and took my truck instead. Then the next morning, no joke, it's flat. I got 2 screws embedded in it, and I've always wanted to try the tubeless repair kit, so we're going to give that a whirl here. This would be the tubeless repair kit. We're going to give this a try. Use the rasp there, and then the sticky pieces of plastic or rubber you stick down in there, and the device to do so. So there's one of the screws. There was a second one just over to the side here, one way or the other, and it must have gotten sheared off just on driving on the road. Anyway, I'm going to back this out and I'll have to find the other hole once I put air in it and see where it's leaking out. So I just put a little air in it, and it wasn't hard to find the holes. You could use soapy water like they do at the gas station, and it'll bubble right up. This one you can actually see bubbles coming out. So there are 2 holes here. I just lost the screw head on the other one. So we'll make short order of putting this, using the rasp first, and then using the device to sink the rubber plugs. So I got the rasp in the hole. I moved it in and out a couple of times in both holes. This one's really going to town now. Roughened up the hole. And now it's time for the plug. Well, I'm going to put the plugs in with the needle. Needle and plug. I'm about ready to go right in this hole here. Got that halfway along there. I'm going to go straight down, not quite all the way in. The ends are sticking out, and then pull it right back out and it'll knot on the inside. So the end result, when you pull the needle back out, something like that, and it knots, it has knotted up inside the tire, and then you cut off the excess. Alright, there's the first plug trimmed. Here's the second plug I just put in. If you're a girly man, you better hire this job done. I'm a horse of a fella, and it took everything I got to get that thing buried like that. The tire I just repaired is now in the left front. I just didn't put enough air in it yet, but it reset nicely. I was rotating the tires while taking care of that.